Ford Escape Key, battery replacement. In this video I will explain you how to change your car key battery with new one. When you're going to start your car after starting but giving alarm on screen. Key battery low, replace soon. After getting alarm need to replace it, otherwise the battery will dead anytime. Replacing, steps. Press the side push button to remove upper flip cover. Then remove the metal key. Then use the small flat screwdriver to pull out the cover. Open new battery from cover and replace it. Then box up again. Put your metal key again. Put your flip cover again. Now try it. This time you will not get any alarm. It mean problem fixed.